With a broad range of lenders available, dealer-assisted financing is the most popular, efficient, and affordable way to buy a new vehicle. Vehicle financing is not risk-free. With the number of distracted drivers, expensive collision costs, theft, and natural disasters, total losses are at an all-time high. Typically, a vehicle's value depreciates faster than the loan balance is paid down, creating a gap between your vehicle's value and what you owe. In the event of a total loss, most insurance companies will only pay the actual cash value for your car, rather than the current loan amount, which means you could be making payments on a car you no longer own. GAP protection can take most of that risk away and provide you with peace of mind. GAP pays the difference between your insurance settlement and your loan balance, and up to $1,000 towards your deductible in most cases. Protect yourself and your family from the burden of unexpected expenses with GAP protection. GAP protection, there for you when you need it the most. Distracted driving is a dangerous epidemic on America's roadways. Our dealership is an advocate for safe and sober driving and the use of all safety restraints.